going back to the States. I'm on a plane right now. 10 hours, man. It's about to be a long day.
And I just hope that everybody gets it.
So I just touched down in Atlanta. I thought they're gonna be so chilly, but man, it's so hot out here, bro. I think it's at a 4-hour layover. I'm thinking about calling my folks, cause they right there in Birmingham. And why would I wait here 4 hours when it could take them 2 hours to get here? Well, I guess it take them 2 hours to get here, then 2 hours to get back. That's 4 hours. So it is currently 7:26, and I've been waiting since 5 o'clock since I got here. I'm about to call my mom. I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm in Atlanta, just come pick me up. Bro, I missed the plane. Ain't nobody even in here, bro. I'm the only person going back to Birmingham. Crazy. It's 8:40. Damn, man, I've been waiting all day, bro. I'm gonna take my mom. My mom was here. Ooh.
Look in there.
What's up, ma?
Now you hop in the car.
I ain't got number one bag.
Oh, okay. I'm looking horrible. Hey, Sammy.
Ah, man, that was
You ain't got to be a big old man.
That was a long wait. Oh, man.
I'm getting it down the road, baby.
Hey, this is my dukes right here. Want to introduce yourself? Starting up a YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh, Sammy. So hey, my name is Markeisha. I'm Sammy's mom, and hey.
Yeah, that's all. We about to head back to Bama. I gotta pick my car tomorrow.
Sure thing.
It's in Bethlehem.
I got you, man.
Yeah. Just put it back to the crib with the little brother. Getting it light for you one time for the dark skin. So you know how. Oh, yeah. They trying to surprise the family. Be like, he ain't came off the plane yet, but I'm in the house right now. I could just walk upstairs and be like, I'm just go walk upstairs. Y'all think I should? My mom said stay down here. I'm just go walk upstairs.
Yeah, my picture surprise, but you ain't good at my glasses on.
Get your stinking butt off me. Move out the way.
What up with your boy? What up with your boy? What happened? Long time. Yes.
You gonna break your leg, bro? Stand back right there, I gotta take a picture.
Oh, yeah?
I heard you got fat. You do look fat.
That's my sister Sabrina.
How you been going, son?
My boy KJ.
What's up with you? What's up with you?
Yeah.
Think all right?
Yes, sir. That's my grams. This one will not focus. Oh.
Bringing Germany to Birmingham.
It's my little nephew.
That's right.
Give me a kick.
Navy J.
That's hard, bro. That's a fam. I just be making little videos, you know what I'm saying? Oh, what up, Carson?
Hi.
What up, LeVar? I was just asking where you was, man. How old you in now? I done forgot.
8.
8? Woo, that boy again. Oh. We about to surprise my sister Rachel. She don't know I'm here yet. She about to go crazy. About to get into it.
Well, y'all under. Stop.
What up, Rachel? You ain't decided to see me? Tell Lauren energy.
I look that ugly.
What's your name? What's your name?
Ugly?
What's your name?
Rachel J.
Say that again.
Stop, cause I
Yeah, let me brush them teeth first. So today is the day I'm riding to get my whip. This is my new car I have bought. I'm on the way right now to pick it up. So till we get there.
okay.
I'm nervous. I'm so excited.
All up in your heart.
I'm gonna call him right here. Hi, sir. How's it going, sir?
I'm gonna wait on you till you come out here.
Hey, I'm outside DQ. I'm about to walk in. Okay. Oh man, today's the day I pick up the vehicle. That's you? Scat packs. The 392 scat packs. Jeeps. Jeez. That bitch. Say about to take it for a spin? Let's take it for a Good, I don't know if you can beat the first one. Bro, that car so nice, man. Bro, that car so nice, bro. Bro, I'm so like in shock right now, bro. There's so much going on at one time, bro. Just in general, fam. But I'm definitely grateful, bro. There she go. Ooh. I'm so lit, bro. I could just scream. Bro, I could literally just scream right now, bro. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me calm down. Just so I get in the car, then I might scream. Okay, man, so I just caught the brand new whip, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, it couldn't have been possible without my guy.
What's up, y'all? I'm DQ Nevin down here in Beltsville, Alabama at Brady Kim Murray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
Yes, sir.
Give me a holler, man. It was nice working with my boy Sam, man.
Yes, sir.
I heard you over there in Germany making noise, all the way from Birmingham to East Side, West Side.
Hey, man, you lit, bro.
Boy, man.
Holla at him, man.
Hey, thank you, bro.
Yeah, man, take it easy, man. You stay blessed, man.
All right, man.
All right. Bro, I'm so lit right now, bro. Bro, I'm so lit, bro. I'm so lit, bro. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm so lit. What, bro? I'm so lit. Who ain't in the car, bro? My mom right. I'm gonna call my girl, bro. Bro, we in this bit, bro. We in. Man, I got it, bro. I don't even know how to feel right now, bro. I feel like so overwhelmed, man.
I know. Let me see.
Oh my God. Okay. Ooh, buddy. Bro,
Go ahead on, big.
Telling you, bro. Oh my gosh. I feel amazing, man. I feel so good, bro. Bro, this car. Show you, man. Look, bro. Shout out to my mama. Shout out to my grandma. Shout out to my girl.
Nice. I love the pattern, man. Where you headed?
I'm about to go to your house.
My house?
Yeah. I'm about to go to your house.
Okay.
I see y'all, man. Get up. Let's go, bro. Wow. Ooh, a sense of accomplishment, bro. I'm so lit, bro. I literally got the car that I said I wanted to get, bro. I really never thought, I didn't even think this was possible, bro. I was not even expecting to get this car, bro. Like, I was thinking, bro, it's always gonna be something, bro. Something always gotta happen, you know what I'm saying? X, Y, Z, and the third. Bro, it's crazy, bro. I wanna cry right now, bro, but I just wanna scream to the top of my lungs. Thank God, bro. I'm so lit. Yeah, I got my whip, bro. You know, bro, this is the best news that happened to me out of all this bad news. I had 4 folks pass my family, if y'all don't know, in the same month. Basically, like, within the 2-week span. My dad, my grandma, cousin, and auntie. But everything cool. It's so crazy driving this car, bro. But I'm gonna just show y'all real fast how it look. Folks in the cut. First place you hit, what happened? Man, my grandma about to run up a ticket in her shopping, boy. Look at all that. Can't even push the bucket no more. Shit. I ain't been in here in about 2 years. Just got out of Walmart, man. That's my phone be jumping. That's a lot of food, ain't it? You too, man. Thank you. Alright. Oh, where you at? Where she parked at? You know where she at? I'm calling right fast. We gotta hunt down our mama right fast. But my mama. This is not the time and the place to not be answering my phone. Tell your daughter to answer my phone.
Answer the phone, Kiki.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
I got my daughter. Where you at?
Look at you and mama saying that looking silly.
Oh, she right here, the ugly son. Show her.
Don't be videoing me. No.
Man, I'm pulling up back at the house, back at the crib. I'm about to see who outside. Yeah, I want to see the reaction when they see this whip. Well, that's my sister right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Tell you what. Lil Johnny. Oh, you like that bit on it?
On everything. Who car is this?
That's mine. No, it's mine.
Man, shut up, boy, please.
I'm out just picking up.
You promised this your car?
I'm out.
You just bought this?
Yeah, I just bought this.
Show on the papers.
Oh, man. Oh.
Okay, now, boy. I love the camo.
For
you didn't have to spend that much on
my
baby
sister.
Shower. Like, you really
She
did
said my baby shower.
Happy birthday, shout out, girl.
Thank you.
Hey.
Double 15 years. Ain't no time gonna be sitting. 15 years.
That joint nice, bro. That joint nice. You see that thing?
I like that.
Y'all like that camo on there?
Got the young dog stripes on there.
In that bit, boy.
YouTube, ain't you, man?
Come on, just a little start, a little something slight. Hey, we gotta check out yours. I heard you got a little Mustang.
Yeah.
Ooh, what it is?
Mustang.
What kind it is? Cope.
They be hard, bro, on everything.
Gotta fill her all the way up. Car show in this bitch. That's how we do it in Belmont. Hear that? Man, this bitch don't got it. There you go. I can't hold that. That's 40 already? Hey. What the hell? $26. I ain't gonna fill it no more. So I thought it took like $50 to fill my tank up, but it was $26 because I had a quarter till E, so I'm gonna see where it got me. That bitch got me to full. That's full, bro. $26, so $30 to fill my entire tank, bro. Oh yeah, I love this car. I'm about to show my granddad the big surprise. The literal is big.
Big.
Big, super big.
You got another country, man.
Uh-huh.
That baby's sharp, man.
Yeah, it's sharp man again, daddy.
That's nice, man. I like that.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
going up, didn't even open the door.
Listen to this.
You make nice,
Yeah.
boy, nice.
Military discount, man. They do what? They make a drink free. Chick-fil-A make a drink free when you're in the military. So you gotta make it a large lemonade. Make sure you plenty of this stuff right there. That nigga right here. A little idiot there.
Get a little taste.
Wanna say something?
Now go subscribe to my channel 205.pikk.
YouTube?
All social media. That's 205.pikk.
It's so hard telling them people that you ain't gonna buy their food. You wanna try honey chicken? Yeah. You wanna try teriyaki chicken? Yeah. You wanna try mango honey?
Say that again?
I said I'd be trying all of the demos in GameStop.
Shit, let's get it then. 82 alarm, you said 83. Cash out take out 10%. They took out 80
Nigga, I ain't talking
cents.
about cash out. I'm talking about what I sent you, nigga. I sent you
Just now?
$1 more.
$1 more?
Yeah, cash out gonna take out about 75 cents.
That's more than 50 cents. That was more than what I said.
And then that means 25 from 11.
Man, look, that ain't it right now.
You got $1.14 extra.
On
you
air.
got 14 cents extra than what you was supposed to
I'm
have.
gonna show you right now.
You got 14 cents extra than what you was supposed to have originally.
I'm gonna see how much he sent me. Alright, 83. They took out $2 actually. Yeah.
Let me see.
Come on, look, 83, 81.
And somebody give you $200, so you gonna be alright.
Nigga,
I'm tough enough to wait for you. Wait to get it. You know what I'm saying?
nah.
Yes, sir.
Straight shot.
Let's go. No, he
Beef on for Aiden, what's up? Malachi, what's up?
Wait! Let me see. Hey! Wait, can I see that camera?
Yeah, you can see here. Look.
Whoa! Wait, you came out on you to make a video. What's up, guys? New upload video.
What's your name?
Aiden.
Malachi. Say hey.
Hey!
Cheese. That's my nephews. Gotta show them love. Go eat your food. Can't be you gotta eat that food before you get anywhere else.
Mommy, what's this?
That right there? What? Where? Yeah, you nasty. Wipe your face off. Here, come here. Look up. Now you see this?
Yes.
Ooh, show me something. Dance. Malachi. You and Aiden dance.
Whoa.
Dance. Yeah. Dance.
Okay, I'm here, guys. Hey, guys. I'm an old twist. Look, that's you.
Just don't try.
Monica! I'm a spy on you.
Please keep up with your stuff.
Oh, definitely. Watch this. Get my little nephew. What is this dude talking about? They gonna get in trouble. I've had enough. Both of y'all. Look here.
Go get him. Go get him.
Get him, Aiden, get him. Ooh, that boy high class.
I mean, you know, just.
Alright, we'll catch it.
Hey.
What should I name her?
I say Daisy.
Big Bertha? Rebecca. Daisy.
Yeah.
Flowers. I'm gonna let them decide out of them names. Comment down and below. Make sure y'all tell us what names sounds good for this big vehicle.
How about the baby girl, y'all? With a 205 pick paint.
I got you. You hear me?
But that paint go hard, Johnny.
Do I have your permission to upload on YouTube this song?
Let's do it.
The same nigga who killed me, lay some flowers by my hands. All of that fake love you showing, know y'all dead wrong. Don't take like two steers, nobody makes it out alive. When I see him, I'm squeezing, you know I'm dead. On my red home, nigga, you know that I'm bleeding, but I ain't dead home. Nah, 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 nah. And I ain't talking dates, but niggas trying to take me out. At first I say rest in peace to all my enemies. Till the day I R.I.P. though they gon' envy me.
It's in this book right here.
They got lemon.
So we came to Misery about you, girl. Best believe I'm about to chow down.
Is that?
That's the scorpion I was talking about right there. It's for two people.
I would have called that a volcano. Boy, that did hot, boy. That did hot. Boy, don't play with me, boy. I need them. I ain't even got many left.
At least you got something, right?
Yeah. She got him drunk. She got him drunk and she stole his car. Yeah.
I'm already on fire from that drink.
He said she got you drunk and then stole your car.
I'm going for the car. I'm not with none of y'all nonsense.
I'm messing with y'all and forgot my food. Dark skinned people always trying to show out stuff.
Yeah, like the light skin in the family.
Man.
So always hate on that. Now follow through though. Oh yeah. See?
Kobe.
Oh shit. Oh god.
Shoot.
You ain't let the man get you dirty.
Clear.
Take that. I ain't let the man speak. Oh, that follow through.
Okay, stay there. Okay, stay there. Stop. Okay, stop. I'm trying to take a picture of you. Your picture's boring.
Malachi,
Come here. Come here before I get you.
well, run to the camera.
Look at his hair.
I know, right? You don't be spitting on my camera.
No. Oh, mess.
But he a big boy now.
He's a small boy.
You a big boy. Go buy him a phone.
I don't have enough money. Monica, I don't have enough money. Monica, get out. Get out. Johnny's not asleep. Johnny's not asleep. You don't wake him up.
Say hey.
Hey. Water? Save it.
Yeah.
What is it? Water?
You know how to open it?
Yeah. I will open.
Talk to her. Say hey, pretty girl. Say hey, baby. Say hey, little baby.
No.
Malachi, you bad. I'm gonna tickle you. Teach my nephew how to run game. You know how to run game, don't you?
Anytime I get him this big water. Water.
Drink some of your water and give him the rest of it. Hold on. He gonna give you some water. Stay there. Y'all gotta learn how to share. Drink the water. Stop looking at him.
Hot water. Yeah, water. Yeah, what you want, man? You're coffee.
Malachi, what do you be saying? I don't know what you be saying.
Da. numbers.
Number?
Oh, numbers.
Where?
5.
What's that?
Oh, 2.
What's they say?
2.
0. Yeah.
2.
Yeah. How old are you?
2.
And you know your numbers?
Yes.
You're not even in school yet. Who taught you how to count?
5.
Yeah.
Final. Who made it? Yeah. You want to talk to this guy?
No. Get down, boy. Big head, boy. Hey, get down. I gotta show them not to play with me. Now, which one of y'all want to get tickled? You or you? Yeah. Got you. Don't bump your head. Come on. Come on. Get. Yeah. Yeah.
Get out.
Get you.
No. Get out. You need to come back.
They gonna get in trouble for all that screaming now.
Oh my god. You killed my
Them all hyper.
They're gonna be scared of me when they grow up. Ah, it's Uncle Sam, run!
No, they're probably like you.
This boy is crying because he don't want to come downstairs. They really gonna be scared of me when they get older. Like, oh, I don't want to go to Uncle Sam's house. He's scary.
No, I think they're gonna like you most because you play with them.
I don't know. You're gonna see. Oh, here they come.
I'm going downstairs to be tickled. But, Emma? What the? Whoa.
Yeah.
Go out there.
Go out there.
Oh, what? He's in there. He will tickle you. You say right here beside you. Okay?
Careful. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. I'm gonna get Malachi. Come here, Malachi. Your brother protecting you. What is that?
Yeah. This. Cool.
Cool.
No.
Where Malachi at?
Get him.
I'm gonna get Malachi.
No. Here.
I get you. I ain't got you yet.
I will get you. I
Come
got
here.
you.
I'm gonna get Malachi. Come here. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. Ah.
No.
Come here.
Get him.
Where Malachi
Over
at?
here.
I'm gonna tickle you. This ain't gonna be scared.
Oh, heck.
Yeah, I'm gonna have cool.
Get him.
I'm trying to change subject. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5. Yeah, good job. Ah.
Oh. Oh, no.
Ah.
Oh, no.
Malachi, you be a crybaby. Go ahead. Go upstairs. Go. I'm done playing with y'all. Y'all scaring me. Watch out. That's enough. You see how wild they can get. I'm turning them down.
You say it sometimes.
What's up? Show me some. That boy about to fall off the back of the porch.
It's way too small.
You literally just got to do the most jumps out of everybody. You win how much money?
This $5 bill.
$5 bill. Okay. Oh, well, you almost broke the pogo stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That boy a professional pogo stick. Okay, this is warm up.
First jump.
Ooh, that boy fine, ain't it? That boy a professional clown.
How you do that?
That boy jumping like a monkey, ain't it?
Like Jigga, Winnie the Pooh. Oh. I'm the goat, sir.
Boy, the goat.
Hey, look, you kangaroo. That boy Johnny had kangaroo.
Don't want to get out of try, David?
No.
Free $5. Uh-oh.
I went to throw in.
See you, Dave.
I remember, man, but
No, but twisted.
jump, bro.
It's, I remember, but
Distraction.
dang.
That was like that no more. I'm on camera.
Dave, come on.
Oh. No boy ain't there do them a bounce. Hey, he got 3 bounces. Squat. Hey, how you hold your battle like that though? I'm a still.
They don't count.
The car. But Malachi is bad. He's ran in the street.
It's on you next, Sammy. Oh, snap.
I ain't Corey in and I'm supposed to see you slipping. Malachi, say hey. G, say hey. Say something. Look.
Bumping it up to 20. What you think, 20?
On the
We ain't got like that. We ain't even to be paying that money.
Come on, Ray.
Nikki?
I just saw my kneecap slip out of place.
Man, your right knee messed up my left knee. Come on, we can do it together.
Y'all putting together, y'all some good
Oh, careful, buddy, careful. That boy about to, he stuck. He got all these holes in the ground. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm too tall, it's too small.
He got 5 on it.
That was a warm-up, though.
You got 3.
I'm too small. Hold on, I gotta crouch down a little bit. Here we go. There you go.
1, 2, 3.
I'm too tall. Be always out of the house over there.
Time's up.
My boy's hungry or not, man? I'm trying to get some food, bro.
More hungry. Trying to bath on the injury.
I'm trying to get me some food. These people playing on pogo sticks. But focus. The way focused. That boy is struggling. What's going on,
Yo, you did better than me, bro. I want to say you did way better than me.
It's your turn, so you get $5. You get 5 jumps on the pogo stick. Hey, every jump worth $1.
Each jump you get.
Every jump worth $1.
Who got the money?
Oh, Sabrina do?
That's 10 times, right?
That's 10 times.
You said me beat that.
Hey,
I did.
We about to go get some food. Come back.
Right now.
Cause I can grab my left hand like that. I got that.
Ready? Do it humbly, seriously, because you're gonna mess with me.
I got me a solid gift right here.
Yes, sir.
Same nigga, and I just hope that everybody get the same picture. But I'm a visionary, so you know my brain different. Whoa, and when I make it to the top, I'ma feed them. I'm with the same niggas. I'm in my zone and I'm focused. They see the change in me.